Good morning. I'm very excited today. And for tonight, we're gonna try this new restaurant. But it was reviewed by Andrew Zimmer. It's called the Hawkingbird. It looks really good, so I'll let you guys know how it is. Okay, we're almost at Hawkingbird, and we're gonna try it for the first time. And the verdict is, it's not bad. I ordered the chicken sandwich and Tess ordered the KMG bowl. The chicken sandwich was pretty flavorful, but I'm a bit disappointed because it's not juicy. It's hard when you bite on it. It becomes thread-like. Is that a good description? Thread-like? In Tagalog, stringy.
In Tagalog.
But it was very flavorful. I liked it. I've satisfied my cravings. I'm glad we went, but I don't think we're gonna go back again. It was pretty good, and we're happy with that. Until the next restaurant. Bye bye.